Gang, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you how to take down your heavenly locks, aka boho locks. So when you're trying to take your hair out, you will not cut your hair when you don't have anyone to do it, or you don't want to go back to your stylist to take your locks out. Let's get into this video now. My client have had her heavenly locks in for about 2.5 months, and she's ready for her takedown. So what I'm going to do is I am going to twist the lock the opposite way that I wrap, like so, making sure I separate her hair and the fake hair apart from each other. And then I'm going to cut the loop at the top like so. Then I'm going to continue to twist the hair the opposite way so that I can make sure that I separate her hair and the fake hair from each other like so, and continue to cut on it. Sometimes it can get stuck, so you have to make sure you're cutting the fake hair from the top like so. You see, that's her braid right there, and that's the fake hair. You want to separate it and cut that fake hair once again like so. Remember when I said to make sure that all of the hair is cut from the top? That little teeny strand of hair made it so that the lock did not slide off this easy. Watch this, y'all. Bam! And the lock is out of her hair without damaging her hair. Yes, I love this technique. I'm going to show you 2 more times, so keep watching. Girls, we finally made it to the last heavenly lock, aka boho lock, that I will be showing you how to take down. I hope from watching this video you can successfully take out your locks without cutting your hair. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.